rational numbers. Here we will study how to represent rational numbers on a number line, and also we will study how to find rational number between the given two rational numbers. Okay. So the first question is represent the following rational numbers on a number line. The number is given as 3 upon 5. Here the first step is to see the denominator. Here denominator is 5. Okay. So between the two whole numbers, that is if you have 0 and 1, there must be 5 divisions. Like this. 1 division, 2 division, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay. So between any two numbers there should be 5 divisions, because in the denominator we have 5. Okay. So now I am drawing the number line. At the center is 0, minus 1, minus 2, here plus 1 and plus 2. Okay. So we want 5 divisions everywhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 divisions. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So here 3 upon 5 is there. Okay. So starting with 0, here 0 means 0 upon 5. 0 means 0 upon 5. Then you have 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. That's it. You want 3 upon 5. So this is 3 upon 5. The next question is minus 3 integer 1 upon 4. So first we will simplify this. So it will be 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 12 plus 1 upon 4. So it will be 13 minus 13 upon 4. Now we will draw this number on the number line. This is your number line. As it is negative number, we have to represent it towards the left of 0. So 0 will be here. Then 1, 2. Here again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Like that. So here denominator is 4. So we will take 4 divisions between any two numbers. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So minus 13 upon 4. So this will be 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. And similarly 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 4, 9 upon 4, 10 upon 4, 11 upon 4, 12 upon 4. And then again we have to take it further. I am taking one more number. Minus 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 divisions. So till here we got minus 12 upon 4. So this will be minus 13 upon 4, or you can say minus 3 integer 1 upon 4. That's it. Now the next question is to find the rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. The rational numbers are minus 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. So the first step here is to find the LCM of the denominators and equalize them. Okay. So solution, LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So therefore for the denominators minus 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 will become minus 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3 multiplied by 4 and 1 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3. So you will get here 2 4 is 8 upon 12 and here you will get 3 upon 12. Okay. So now by just considering the numerators on the number line, like if this is your number line, minus 8 and 3. Okay. So minus 8 is somewhat here, then minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and then 0, 1, 2 till 3. Okay. So minus 8 upon 12 and 3 upon 12. So minus 8 and minus 3 are here. So between minus 8 and between minus 8 and 3 we have this many numbers. Okay. So you can say that between these two rational numbers there will be minus 7 upon 12, minus 6 upon 12, minus 5 upon 12, minus 4 upon 12, like that all the rational numbers. So for the question you have to write only two rational numbers between them. So you can write any two rational numbers. Therefore minus 7 upon 12 and minus 5 upon 12 are the two rational numbers between what? This minus 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4. That's it. The next question is find the 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. So here again you will first take the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 5 and 4 is LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4 will be what? 3 multiplied by this 4 in the numerator and multiplied by 4 in the denominator, and here again 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 multiplied by 5. So you will get 4 3s is 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. So you can clearly say that between 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20 there are two rational numbers, that is 13 upon 20 and 14 upon 20. But in the question it is said to find the 10 rational numbers between them. Okay. So by looking here you cannot find the 10 rational numbers. So here you will multiply both these rational numbers by any same common multiple. Okay. So here if I multiply this rational number by 4 in the numerator and denominator, and here again by 4 in the numerator and denominator. So if I multiply by 4 numerator and denominator, this rational number won't change. That is, you will get an equivalent rational number to this number. So I will multiply here by 4 in the numerator and denominator, and for this rational number again by 4 in the numerator and denominator, to get 12 4s is 48 upon 20 4s is 80 and 15 4s is 60, and here it is 80. So now you can clearly say that between 48 and 60 there are many numbers. So you have to just write the 10 rational numbers between them. So therefore 49 upon 80, then 50 upon 80, 51 upon 80, 52 upon 80, 53 upon 80, 54 upon 80, 55 upon 80, 56 upon 80, 57 upon 80, and 58 upon 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other 10 rational numbers between this between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. So with this we finish with our first lesson. In the next lecture, we will start with the second lesson, that is powers and exponents. Till then, practice all these sums again. I will see you in the next lecture. Take care.